This 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 33IK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bowling Green, Kentucky, 42101 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Bowling Green. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 67 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.